This man has turned the sewers of New York City into his kingdom and has been living there for 20 years, and this is what he does. Steven builds his life in ways that others would be scared to imagine. For him, an old manhole is the frying pan on which he fries his eggs, and clean water from underground springs has become the basis of his survival. With each sip, he feels the power of this living water grow. One day, while exploring the catacombs, Steven accidentally found Andrew. He has been visiting him ever since, bringing him rare supplies and supporting him in this strange life. This time, the colleague brought boots so that the king could explore the corridors without fear of damp. Our hero even has a bathroom where he manages to bathe in the summer. Give us a like if you wouldn't want to be in his shoes.